TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. This is a quick video to say I'm giving away the ukulele that I painted in my Painting My Ukulele episode that I did a while ago. Since I've painted it, it's just sat out there in the conservatory doing nothing, so I figured I'd run a little competition to see if any of you guys were interested in having it. I'll sign it as well. Thanks for being a great fan, TipTut. Backwards, I'll flip the video after this, and essentially it'll be yours to keep, and so long as the postage isn't too expensive, I'll be able to send it abroad as well, so it might take a bit of a time to get there essentially. All you need to do to enter is make sure you're subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below saying why you want it. That's it. Just fancied giving something away. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. This video will be up for about a week, and then after that, I'll be picking a winner at random from the comments. So if you're interested, make sure to leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.